Yesterday, man built the temples to serve a higher power, but today we at Temple International Development are designing and building because every man or woman's building is their temple. Who are we? We are architects, engineers and builders. From residential to commercial design and build, we have the skills and know how to make your dream project a reality. Give us a call, let us take you through the design and build process. We also specialize in solar power panel and residential battery backup systems installment, which could save you hundreds of dollars on your summer and winter energy bills. In addition, we have construction and remodeling finance up to $100,000 if you qualify for your existing or new home. So, if you are looking for a new contractor to fit for your next construction project, we excel at just that. From planning to final construction, we are what you need to get the job done. Give us a call at 823-439-0414. Finally, here at Temple we believe that there is no job is too big or too small. We would love to have your business.